The art of stained glass restoration. When visiting the Cathedral of Saint Paul, you can't help but stare at the stained glass windows adorning the interior walls. Today, our discussion will focus on the restoration process aimed at maintaining the perfection of these windows, particularly the rose windows situated on the north, east, and south walls. The first step in the restoration process is realizing there is erosion. Pictured here is erosion on the south window frame. The window will be carefully removed in sections, with each part labeled appropriately for identification. After the removal, restoration workers will create a pattern for each section before proceeding to remove the deteriorating lead frame. Each piece is labeled with a number that corresponds to their hand-drawn puzzle key. A 24-hour soak in sudsy water removes decades of dust and incense. Take a look at that beautiful translucent stained glass. Craftsmen then start piecing the window back together, section by section, with new lead alloy, which is said to be twice as durable as the old pure lead frame. In October of 2015, the south rose window was fully restored and reinstalled. Let's have one last look at the before and after pictures. What an improvement! This restoration was done by craftsmen from Gay T. Palmer Studios. We hope this provided you with helpful information regarding the restoration of stained glass windows.